Today I'll show you what I got from AliExpress. I got a package, I ordered a few things, and one of the things is bearings for the DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor. And let's see what else is in there. I always like how they send in these super cheap bags. There is no padding inside, not much of anything. Okay, so this is one. That's the second one. Oh, the wireless charger. And more bearings, I think. This one, what's this one? I think that's the code for the delivery. That's it. Okay, so this is I think this one set of the bearings for the speed editor, and now also I think another set of the bearings. I got two types of bearings. This is a wireless knockoff wireless charger for MagSafe Chinese wireless charger. We'll see how that works in a future video. And these are the bearings, and this is the headset microphone. So bearings there, and then the charger, and this is I think this is the Apple AirTag case. I think maybe this one. It's this one. This is the Apple AirTag case. So Apple AirTag case, bearings, wireless charger, more bearings, and the headset microphone. This headset microphone was very cheap, but I got it like this because I want to replace the actual microphone and the wire. I only got it for the shape of it, for the headset. This is the AliExpress haul. I'll make some videos with these things. The bearings, I'll show you how I add them. I'll show you how I change the bearings in the speed editor. This is the main reason why I got this, for this wheel. Hopefully it fixes it. That's it. Thanks for watching.